Hi guys, welcome to the second video of my channel, and as I promised you in the first video, I will show you all the cars that I have in my family fleet. I have one car that is under the warranty and I need to be careful with that, but I can perform some job like brake pads change and everything else. So I will show you everything that I can do with that. So I don't want to start with the hard maintenance with my cars, but I want to proceed with the simple work first, just to get some proof of concept. If I can, like a corporate PM can perform some maintenance on my own cars. As a corporate PM, I can manage teams, but in that case, I need to execute all the work by myself. Will I pull out that? Who knows? I will show you. All my mistakes, all my wins, I will show you everything. So let me show you what I have. Those cars are pretty common here in Calgary. Each second family has it. Not something complicated like BMW, but those are the cars that you can see on the streets every day. So let me show you the cars. It's out of the warranty, it has like 100k mileage, so I can do whatever I want. It's all on me. This is my 2022 Ford Escape Titanium. I choose this version because it's the top tier luxury style trim. And like the boxy SUVs you see everywhere, this one has a smoother, carved look that makes it feel more like a stylish car. Check out the front. It has a high-end mesh grille that looks much better than the standard models. The wheels are clean, shiny alloy design that completes the look. The lines on the body are soft and flow from the front all the way to the back. It's professional, clean, and fits exactly the look I want when I'm heading out for the day. Let's jump inside. The first thing you see is the big digital screen right behind the steering wheel. It's super clear and shows me all the driving info in one place. I'm also a big fan of the center controls. Even though everything in high-tech, Ford kept physical buttons and knobs for the air conditioning and heat. It's great because I don't have to dig through the menus on a touch screen just to change the temperature while I'm driving. Everything is laid out simply, which makes it a really comfortable place to be. Is it the best car? Yes, I think so. One car is under the warranty and I need to be careful with work that I do for that. Now this is my 2022 Hyundai Sonata N-Line. If the Escape is my professional car, this is my fun car. It looks fast and it looks aggressive. But guys, please let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do a full test drive for the Sonata or for the Ford Escape. And if you want me to show something like as an owner, please just let me know and I will record a special video for you. Even that car is pretty new, it still needs some maintenance. It still needs some software updates, which I can do. It's under the warranty, but I can perform that. It still needs some brake pads. It's almost perfect in my opinion, but we can work on that. As you see, I added some decals, but we can work on that more. If you see that something I can do with that, just let me know. But please keep me under the warranty. Those cars have some dual clutch transmission, so I prefer to keep it under the warranty. Well, I can tell you honestly, it's a pretty fun car to drive. It's a pretty new model. You can buy it right now in the dealership. What are you doing? Why you need to... Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's a great sunny day in Alberta. My name is Art. See you in the next one.
In the blue lights glare to a silver wrench that sings a prayer. After hours, find my peace right here. After hours, wash away the
As I promised you in the last video, I will show you all my fleet of 2 cars. Careful with the car. I need to be careful with the car that is under the warranty, since I don't want to lose that. I can't do everything just to not to lose my warranty. I don't want to lose my warranty. I don't want to lose my warranty. I don't want to lose my warranty.